Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Samson game not launching or not opening, stuck on black screen, not responding error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game over here, no need to worry. Click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game installation folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. The general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. If this also doesn't help, come back again, type -D3D11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. Sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. Next is to Discord overlay. For that, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and here switch off enable in-game overlay options and then try to launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, and then click on enter task. So this will remove the game from your PC that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the link over here. This will download Visual C++ files. Open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Wait for some time. And after that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. search for settings. Now go below, click on Windows Update option. Here click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay. So for that, you have to first go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After that, again go to the Windows search. Now search for control panel. After that, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Here click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But later on, again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click find for graphics settings, and here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app, and after that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check if it's working. If the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Samson game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC after your game is completely removed. Now restart your PC and then launch Steam and finally reinstall Samson game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.